Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to deactivate the default SLA and custom SLAs in BoldDesk. Whenever a new BoldDesk account is registered, a default SLA is provided, but you can define custom SLAs to be applied to support tickets. If no custom SLA is defined, the default SLA will be applied to all the created tickets. To have more control over which tickets are assigned SLAs, we have provided an option to deactivate the default SLA. This means that no SLA will be applied to tickets unless you explicitly specify one. For instance, it may be preferable to exclusively allocate SLAs to tickets that have been assigned to a specific department responsible for customer interactions. To learn more about setting up SLA policies in BoldDesk, follow the link in the card above or description below. Now let me show you how to deactivate the default SLA or a custom one. First, sign in to your BoldDesk account as an administrator and navigate to the Admin module. Then, open SLA under the Automation section to open a list of existing SLAs. Click on the More option next to the SLA you want to deactivate and click Deactivate. A dialog box will open to confirm the deactivation. Click the Yes, Deactivate button. If you have multiple SLAs, the first matching SLA will apply to the ticket that had the deactivated SLA applied to it when it meets the SLA-defined conditions. When a ticket is either created, updated, or reopened and doesn't match any SLA, the default SLA will be applied automatically to the ticket. Next, let's see what happens once you deactivate the default SLA. When the default SLA is deactivated and a ticket that had the default SLA applied to it undergoes an update that does not match any SLA rule, the ticket's history will log for the removal of the SLA. In this removal, the response and resolution due dates will be cleared, and the response field will be hidden from the details page. No SLA will be applied to the ticket when all the SLAs are deactivated. The deactivated SLAs will be moved to the Inactive tab, and you can activate them when needed. That's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.